What's up, guys? All right, I'm super sick, so pardon the voice, but I'm excited to bring a new product to the Dodge Dart PF platform. I'm really anxious to show you guys what's up in this box. So I've been working with the guy from Taiwan for quite a while now to build us a set of these, and I finally got them in. Just wanted to say, from the time they were ready to ship out to the time I got them to my doorstep was like 3 days. So it was really quick shipping. I was really happy about that. So let's get this box opened up and see what we got. I already opened, obviously I couldn't help myself. But so we have Gecko Racing single tube adjustable coilovers. Let me pull this thing out here. Alright, let me turn it around. Alright, so it's Gecko Racing. A lot of the other platforms, they have them in the US, just not for the Dart yet. So they had to do a lot of custom measuring and preparing for this thing, but I'm glad that we finally got it. Right here, it's Dodge Dart PF. I don't know why it says 12 through 16, but whatever. On this side, it's got the logo. There's nothing too crazy on the box, so let me get up inside this thing. Alright, we got all kinds of goodies in here. Let's see what we got. First thing, what is this? That's a towel, like a golf towel. That's pretty cool. It says Gecko suspension. So the other side is the same thing, just white and upside down. Cool. I didn't think I'd get a towel in with my suspension. What do we hear? Alright, so we got a lot of horsepower in this bag. A couple stickers. Let me grab my scissors. I don't have to use my teeth. Alright. Alright, well my scissors suck, so I gotta use my teeth anyways. What do we have in here? Alright, so we have a white sticker. That's more of a decal. It's not a full square sticker, it's just the regular decal. Then we have a green Gecko suspension systems and a user guide. Quality control pass, that's always good. Of course, it's just got all your regular probably mounting and adjusting and a bunch of stuff in several languages. Alright, that's boring. Alright, what's this? Holy cow. Look at this, guys. It's a flag. They sent me a flag, and it's huge. So Gecko suspension system flag. That's pretty awesome. It's a good garage hanger. Dude, that's cool. And all kinds of goodies in here. What else? Oh my goodness. Oh, this was what I asked for working with them. I asked to get some extra decals, and they sent me an entire stack of decals. Holy mackerel. And Tons of deep. Man, how many horsepowers is that? It'll be the fastest dart in the U.S. here shortly. Many stickers. Alright, so let's get to the coilovers. Oh, they feel sturdy. I might pop all this bubble wrap later. Alright. Oh man. These are pretty. Look at these things, guys. Let me move this box. These are absolutely gorgeous coilovers. Wow. These feel super, super solid. They look like they adjust really easy. Oh yeah. Wow, I'm really happy with the outcome of just the feel of these. I've felt the Megan Racing ones before, and I mean, they're solid too. These are a single tube design, more along the lines of the BCs. But man, these feel great. And look at that color. Like, I didn't even know like lime green and purple was a thing, but they're gorgeous. Alright. So here's the other one. It's identical, obviously. This must be the rears. Let's take a look at the rears. Just like Christmas. Alright, so we have the rear shocks with adjustable mount. Those seem to be pretty solid. I mean, there's not too much to the rear springs. Everybody knows the fronts are the most. Alright, so we've got comes with 2 spanner wrenches and your dampening adjusters on top that go right in here to adjust your dampening. Alright, now let's look at these rear shocks. Holy cow. These things are absolutely beautiful. I wish I wasn't so snotty. Alright. Now here's the rear shock. God, these things are solid. Oh man. Super stiff. Look, these are pretty easy to turn and adjust. Wow, I'm super excited. Oh, here's your other adjustment for the rear shocks as well. Man, so that's it. One of each. Rear shock, front strut, rear spring, all adjustable. I'm going to put these on as soon as I feel better. I can't do it today. I'm not feeling good enough, but I'm gonna take some measurements, some ground clearance measurements, travel measurements, pretty much everything that I can, and I will post everything up. But as an initial open box, man, these things are solid, and these guys seem to have done a really good job, and they will be made available to us all, which is the best part, and they're only going to be $850 $850. That's not bad. I mean, you compare them to that's in the Megan range, and I'm not sure how they'll compare to Megan's, but in my opinion, they definitely look solid and sturdy. So that's it, folks. We'll wait to see how they fit on the car, but not today because I'm sick. See ya.